lovelies, my name is Nellie Robert and today I'm at Superdrug's makeup studio. Dave invited me to do a 3-minute eyeshadow challenge and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. So let me break it down to you guys. I have 3 minutes to apply every single eyeshadow inside of this I Heart Revolution Macaroon palette. How am I gonna do it? I don't know, but stick around and find out. So I've got quite a few blues and greens in here. Let me just start with my eyes. So this color is called Yum Yum, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit it's a bit dramatic, but I'm here for it. Wow, stunning. Let me dip into this lovely gold right here. It's called Desert. Right here. Can you guys see that? Ooh, glowy. Meringue in a tear dark. Cute. Bronzer. This one's called Heavenly Bite.
Halfway through.
Ooh, okay. It's giving me the cheekbones that I don't have, so I'm here for it. Let's smoke out the bottom of my eyes. Let's just do my Cupid's bow. I've got like 3 colours left to use.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done. Okay, so first of all, the blue on my eyes, I'm actually a fan of. However, green as a blusher, I don't know about that. I don't think that works, but I would say the highlight on my nose and my Cupid's bow, my tear duct, I think it works. Technically speaking, I completed a challenge because I used all the eyeshadows in 3 minutes. However, application wise, I could have done a lot better, but I mean, what can I really do in 3 minutes? If you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!